Hi, folks. Brian Tong here from Boomer Life. Today, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about dog food. But first, let me just introduce myself. My name is Brian Tong, and I'm a proud baby boomer. After turning 63, I realized that retirement is dead ahead, and I'm not ready to stop earning and collect Social Security. I don't want to have to live on Uncle Sam's check. I want to stay relevant, stay healthy, and keep making money. Young folks say, okay, boomer, like it's a joke, but I think being a boomer is the best thing ever. We have college degrees, years of experience, spending money, lots of life left to live, and bucket lists to fill. So click the links below and join my channel or group or subscribe to my blog post, and let's take this ride into the sunset together. Click the bell to get notifications when a new blog is posted. Also, check out my #1 recommendation for making money online. You will love Jeff's story and his revolutionary money-making plans for the digital economy. So let's talk about dog food because my little Australian Shepherd is sitting right here with me. Actually, she's kind of napping right now, but she's a member of my family, and we all love our dogs dearly. So, what do we feed them? Well, it comes down to a lot of people. It comes down to money, or they go to the grocery store and they think they see something that sounds good, good advertisement. Sounds good for the dog, but they don't really pay attention to the ingredients. So I want to tell you some things that you need to avoid when feeding your pets. The first thing is filler, stuff like corn, soy, wheat, and anything with the word meal attached, like pig meal or fish meal or beef meal. This could be anything like intestines, eyes, fur, ear, ground bones, feet, etc. Avoid meal and filler in your dog food. Second is preservatives. Long chemical names you don't recognize are likely to be preservatives, such as ascorbate, ethoquin, and tocopherol, and especially BHT and BHA, which cause cancer in dogs, and also propylene glycol, TBHQ, and propyl gallate. Stuff like that are preservatives. They're not good for your dogs. Thirdly is human foods to avoid. Lots of us are tempted to feed our dogs scraps and snacks and things from the table. So I want to let you know that there's some human foods that you definitely don't want to give your dogs. And the first one is chocolate, and it can be fatal. Although my Aussie Norman once ate 10 pounds of Girl Scout chocolate and survived after puking it up into nice pink piles. Caffeine is obviously not good for dogs. Garlic, onions, chives, xylitol, which is an artificial sweetener found in many candies, sugar, alcohol, obviously, macadamia nuts because they could choke on them, grapes and raisins, which damage kidneys, anything dairy, milk. And they say ice cream's not great for your dogs, but my dogs love ice cream and they have no visible side effects. We buy the doggy ice cream in Winn-Dixie in the freezer section. Also, avocados, bones, bacon, which is too fatty, and salt. Now, you don't give your dogs bones because they can splinter and get caught in their throat and cause problems, unless you supervise them or buy these really hard ones at the store that they can't possibly splinter. So, what is the healthy stuff that we should feed our dogs? One of the things that I found is freeze-dried dog food is good because all you got to do is add water. And it seems like the most popular medium to convey healthy organic dog food. But the cost goes from high to ridiculous. So you gotta be careful. Our dogs are not far removed from the wolves in the grand scheme of things. And back then, all they ate was freshly killed animals. And the first thing they ate was the organ meat, heart, liver, etc., followed by the leaner cuts. By eating the stomach of their prey, they were also eating what the victim had been eating. So this is how they got their greens and fruits in small proportional quantities. I put a link in my blog to a company that does open farm, freeze dried raw dog food, humanely raised with non-GMO superfoods, no artificial flavors, etc. But it's expensive. It's for like 16 ounces, it's $36. I put a link in my blog. Another one is called Origin, Orijen. I put a link in my blog to that as well. It's a grain-free, high-protein, fresh, raw animal ingredients. It's 25 pounds of the kibble costs $90, which is also kind of pricey, but they're family members. Another good thing to give them is probiotics. It's a fiber for dogs in supplement form, which helps with their digestion and enzymes for a healthy gut, firm stool, and relief from diarrhea. I put a link in my blog for that. Another one that we're trying is called Dr. Marty's Nature Blend. This is $42 for bags, 16-ounce bags, but we're feeding our dogs now and they love it. It's freeze dried, so you just add a few ounces of water and wait. I also put in my blog some dental hygienic treats called Muriel Oravet that you can give your dogs that are organic and they're good for them. So that's worth a try. So I also put a link down here if you want to try an online business that does not require a 7-figure outlay to make 10 grand a month. Click there and read all about it. And that's it for today, Boomers. Have a great day. Have a great weekend. And I'll see you next time. Brian Tong, Boomer Life, out for now.